a beautiful sunny day. I see in the video I'm a little bit shaded, so I'm not sure if I move back or over or something it will show up better, but it is a beautiful day. But it's fall. It's definitely fall. You can tell it's fall. The marigolds are on their last leg. The calendulas are still looking pretty nice, but oh, this poor sunflower. It's looking better than the rest of my sunflowers. And my things that are inside my hoop tents are doing just fine. We've had about 4 or 5 nights that have gotten below freezing. So I was really glad that I put together, they're kind of sad looking, but it's, at least they're there and they're protected. But you can see here, I trimmed down my herbs. Hopefully they will winter over. They did last year. My pepper plants in this, I picked all of the little peppers. None of them were very big, but it's probably because I had so many peppers in there. But obviously they're done. Oh, I still have a rose here and there. So beautiful. I love the roses. Well, I tend to spend my videos taking you on tours of my yard. And I have a beautiful yard. I love my yard. I tell you, one of the things that I did the other day in preparation for winter, right here, I dug out my dahlias. Interestingly enough, the dahlias were the first ones that I planted in the spring. Someone gave them to me. My friend Jan gave them to me. And they were in a package from the store, and they were growing already inside the package. So I planted them just as soon as I could in the spring, probably before I even planted some of my other things. But I don't think they got frosted on. Anyway, I thought they were never going to grow. Finally, when they did, they got nice and tall. But they never did bloom. One of them, well, actually several of them they had little buds as if they were going to. But we got our first frost before they had a chance to. And they all turned brown and black, and they just didn't bloom. Anyway, what I did was to dig them up and then put as much dirt off of them as I could. And I'm letting them sit here on my couch on a piece of paper, and so that there's no moist dirt in there, so that I can put them away without thinking that they're going to mold because of the so they should be ready for me to wrap up and put in a box probably tomorrow, because they're just about there. So if you want to know how to take care of dahlias, I suggest do a YouTube search of preparing dahlias for winter, and you will find that information, and it will help you to know how to take care of your dahlias, should you have any that haven't been prepared for winter yet. I wish I wish I could just leave them in the yard, in the ground, but I've been told that that won't work. So that's all I have for today. Just to show another short video, and like I said, most of my videos have just been wandering around my yard showing you things, and then I've had a couple of ones with recipes, things that I've done on them. I'd like you to subscribe and then click the little bell so you get notified when I make a new video. And then in the comments section, give me ideas what you'd like me to make videos about that have to do with my garden or preparing things from my garden. And ideas that I could share with you that would make my site, my YouTube channel, worth coming to and listening to me. I do have a personal YouTube channel also. And so, of course, you're welcome to go there. I have all kinds of playlists and things to help teachers. I'm a retired teacher. So if you want to go to either one of my channels, I'd really, really appreciate it. I don't have very many followers here on this one yet, so I'm asking you, please subscribe. I would like this channel to grow. Until next time, happy gardening.